You got another one?
Come on, don't do it.
The one after the other.
Come on. He's still trying.
I need to reel it in. I'm having fun.
I don't think so. Let go.
That way, that way.
Can't see.
I don't know why, but is it just luck, or am I just randomly
Oh,
getting
oh, 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 oh.
Hey.
That's
Leah.
it.
Jessie.
Gosh.
It's a perch. That is so cool. Actually, we got a bunch of these. Ooh. Yeah, me getting
I
a
know.
fish.
Reel with it.
Hold still. We're still trying to get it. I think I saw a fish.
Reel it.
Come on, keep
Go,
going,
go,
buddy.
go. Get it. Get it.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Me getting a fish.
Keep going.
Yeah, me trying to get
Reel
a
it
fish.
slowly.
Uh-oh.
It's not off. It's on
It's
there.
still there. Good.
It's a door.
Good job.
Wait, can I hold it? Can I hold it?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna need my pliers.
Okay. You gotta let it
Oh
go.
no. He's hurt.
He's fine. He's a fish.
You got it? Nope.
Ready?
Oh, this is the fish we have. We got.
Yeah.
It's pretty cute.
This is your first fish.
Bye-bye.
Bye, fish.
Bye. Whee. Great. First fish.
Yeah, we gotta return it back to the pond.
Come on, little buddy.
Can I hold it?
It's gonna be jumping, buddy.
Pull that off. I can't.
Where's your fish?
Right here. Let's go. That is so cool.
Hold it.
Can I hold it?
No.
Yeah. That's far.
Hey, what?
Uh-oh.
Is it bobbing?
Not yet.
Maybe cat? He has the swings? Right? Watch. Watch me. It's been a long time.
Okay. You did not press it.
Oh
Hey. Takes practice.
I think time to go forward.
Ooh.
I missed.
Oh. You hold the button now. 1, 2, 3. Press it.
Up.
Good job. That's it.
Okay.